Whether you're prototyping a website, an app, or an email, there are three main areas to focus on to keep your audience engaged. Number one, the user journey. Mapping out the user journey and points of interaction will help guide your audience, keep them engaged, and allow them to easily find what they're looking for. Number two, information architecture. Less is more. Keep it short. Make sure that the content is laid out by order of importance. Make the content available by using UI components such as accordion and carousel to reveal more information, and it will make your content more digestible. Number three, content is king. No matter how great the UX of your website is, if the content is weak, it will only drive your audience away. The content should be relevant and focus on the audience's pain points to finally get them to click the buy or contact button. By considering user journey, content, and interaction, you will create great user experience.